Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about yogurt soda. I will be giving you information about what it is, how it's made, how to keep and store it, and lastly, the history and health benefits of it. Let's get into it. What is yogurt soda? Well, yogurt soda is a cold savory beverage, and this tasty beverage is made with yogurt, water, salt, and mint. There are two types of yogurt soda, carbonated and uncarbonated. And you probably have never had yogurt soda before and you wonder how it tastes like. Well, it tastes like highly fermented yogurt, and it's a little acidic and fizzy. If you don't like yogurt in general, you might not like yogurt soda, because yogurt is the base of yogurt soda. But if you've had yogurt soda before, you definitely know that after drinking it, you feel sleepy and drowsy. And you might wonder, why is that? Well, yogurt soda has amino acids in it, and these amino acids convert to serotonin in your body. For those of you who don't know what serotonin is, it's basically the hormone that makes you feel sleepy and drowsy. How is yogurt soda made? Well, it's very simple. It's just yogurt, fermented yogurt, with water and salt. And you can add some dried mint and dried shallots to it as well. Alright, let's say you have yogurt soda at home. You either bought it or you made it at home and you don't know how to keep it. Should I keep it in the fridge? Should I keep it outside in room temperature? Well, you have to keep it in the fridge, because if you don't, it will be just like way too sour. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this beverage is served cold. So if it's in the fridge, you just have to pour it in a glass and there you go, you have it. Now the history of it. Well, yogurt soda was originated in Iran and it's called Doogh. But in other countries, it has a different name, but they all refer to the same thing. They all refer to Doogh. They all refer to yogurt soda. Yogurt soda is a good source of probiotics and calcium. And you may be amazed, but people who are lactose intolerant can have yogurt soda, because yogurt in general has lower amount of lactose than milk. And people who are lactose intolerant don't drink milk in general, and this leads to a lack of calcium in their diet. Therefore, yogurt soda could be a really good drink for them. Alright everyone, if you are interested in trying yogurt soda, either make it at home, get a recipe, make it at home, or buy it online. And it actually may sound a little like, how would I say it, like a little disgusting, but it's actually really good. It's so tasty. I'm originally from Iran and I basically grew up with yogurt soda. Yogurt soda is the national beverage of Iran, national drink of Iran. And it's just really good, like in hot summer days. After your meal, yogurt soda is the best thing ever. It's just so refreshing and it's so tasty. Like if you're interested, definitely try yogurt soda. You won't regret it. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned something in this video. If you want to see more videos like this, more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And until the next video, I will see you all later.